Experiencing issues receiving one-time passwords, OTPs, from Verizon? You're not alone. Many users have faced delays or failures with SMS-based OTP delivery. But the good news is that Verizon has implemented fixes to improve reliability. In this video, we'll explore these solutions and alternative methods to ensure you can access your accounts securely and without frustration. Let's dive in. Verizon rolled out a Secure Auth upgrade in Q1 2026 in response to FCC mandates and widespread complaints. This upgrade integrates end-to-end encryption for OTP messages and prioritizes their delivery within the Verizon network. The upgrade integrates end-to-end encryption for OTP messages, ensuring secure delivery from sender to receiver. It also prioritizes delivery within the Verizon network to reduce SMS filtering and network congestion that cause delays. For Android users, initial reports show a 70 to 80% reduction in OTP not received incidents, but problems on iOS may persist due to Apple message filtering. Verizon has introduced a manual resend feature in its Verizon Messages app. This allows you to request a new OTP with a 15-second cooldown if the first one doesn't arrive promptly. As an additional layer of assurance, many services now offer an email-based OTP fallback. If SMS delivery fails, the OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Activating this option provides a backup solution. Verizon, like other carriers, employs spam filters to combat fraud. These filters can inadvertently block legitimate OTP messages, treating them as potential spam. Network congestion, particularly during peak hours, can also delay SMS delivery. Messages get queued in the network, causing delays in OTP reception. These problems are compounded in rural areas with weaker 5G coverage, where network signals are unreliable, causing even more inconsistent OTP reception. If SMS-based OTPs are unreliable, consider using app-based authenticators like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate time-based codes directly on your device, eliminating the need for SMS delivery. This method enhances security by reducing vulnerability to SMS interception or SIM swapping. App-based authenticators work by using a shared secret key, often set up through a QR code, to generate unique codes that change every 30 seconds. This eliminates reliance on SMS delivery and provides better protection against interception. For example, Google Authenticator displays codes for multiple accounts simultaneously. You can link accounts by scanning QR codes, and the app generates fresh codes automatically. Authy offers similar functionality with a user-friendly interface showing expiration times for codes. It also supports cloud backup for easy device switching. Microsoft Authenticator provides enterprise-grade security features alongside standard OTP generation, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. By using app-based authenticators, you avoid SMS delays and gain stronger protection against common attacks like SIM swapping. This makes your accounts more secure overall. Activating Wi-Fi calling on your Verizon device can bypass cellular network congestion and filtering issues that affect OTP delivery. When Wi-Fi calling is enabled, OTP messages are routed over your Wi-Fi network instead of cellular, potentially improving delivery speed and reliability, especially in areas with weak cellular signals. The trend is moving away from SMS-reliant OTPs towards more robust methods like push notifications and biometric verification. Push notifications provide instant, secure alerts through apps, bypassing SMS network issues. Biometric verification uses unique physical traits like fingerprints or facial recognition for seamless authentication. Hybrid systems that combine SMS with app-based tokens are emerging for better reliability. Experts predict a decline in pure SMS OTPs as AI-driven spam detection improves accuracy and reliability. Quantum-resistant encryption is being developed to protect against future quantum computing threats. Stay updated with the latest authentication options to safeguard your accounts. SMS just isn't the way anymore. If you're still experiencing OTP issues, despite recent improvements, here are some troubleshooting tips to resolve the problem. First, ensure your phone number is correct in your account settings. Sometimes, outdated or incorrect numbers can prevent OTP delivery. Second, check if you've accidentally blocked the shortcode used to send OTPs. Shortcodes are the numbers that send verification messages. Third, contact Verizon support to report the problem and explore advanced troubleshooting options like network diagnostics or priority routing. While significant improvements have been made to OTP reliability, being proactive with these steps can help minimize disruptions to your authentication process.